अंडर बजट लिपस्टिक्स चाहिए, महंगी लिपस्टिक्स नहीं खरीदनी, 350 के अंदर आई विल टेल यू द बेस्ट ब्राउन रेड एंड मॉव शेड्स। सब्सक्राइब करो, बताती अंडर बजट। Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new here, hi, I'm Kimsey. So I am your beauty bestie who's going to be very relatable about all the content related to skincare and makeup. Hi guys! So you might be thinking that I have a full face of makeup on except for my lips. The reason being, today we are shooting a video on budget finds of lipsticks which is completely going to suit all the brown girls out there and are under 350. So there are a lot of lipsticks in the market, and obviously finding the right color for you is always a problem, and especially in that price range. So today I am actually coming up with all my personal favorites, but all are under 350 for all the beginners out there, or somebody who just wants to spend like minimum amount of money on lipsticks. All are of good brands, all have amazing applications, and none of it will ruin your lips. I assure you that. You know, choosing the right color of your lipstick is really a problem and it's very confusing. So, in one of my videos, I did mention that I usually go for darker shades, but today we are going to do the shades of browns, mauves, and reds so that you can choose personally what would go better for anybody who's my skin tone, and if that is the price range that goes well with you. So let's start. First one we are trying is by Swiss Beauty, and the color is Naked. It is a deep mauve color. This retails for $3.99, but you can easily get it at $3.20, and it does have a magnet so that you do not miss the cap. So this is very feasible. So let's try on with the application. I have almost used it completely. So this is how much I've left off. So let's try. So this is the first shade. You can see the difference, how popped my face looks now. I really love this shade. This is very glossy. This is not that long lasting. Obviously, if you'll be eating a lot of food, you need to keep this in your bag and carry it with you. But I think for this price, this shade is just, I love it. You can see how it just changed the look. I just love this lipstick. This is my go-to lipstick, but I do carry it in my bag always. So let's go on with the other one. The next one we are trying is by Maybelline. So this is by Maybelline New York. The color is Burgundy Blush. This is a burgundy shade. So it does cost 300 something, but you'll easily get it under 250 rupees. So I have been using it from past 5 years. I think this is my third or fourth one. This used to be my go-to color when I was in college. I absolutely love this. Let's go with the application. So let's go. So this is the other one. This is a very good burgundy color. It's by Maybelline. I absolutely love the brand. I have a lot of lipsticks from Maybelline and they never disappoint. So I absolutely love it. It is glossy, it's not matte, it doesn't dry up your lips. It's perfectly fine, and for this range, for 250, I think for any college goer who really likes this shade, absolutely perfect. The next one we are going to try is again by Swiss Beauty. So this is Hold Me Mad, and it's a 12-hour stay. So the shade is Cranberries, and this retails for $4.29, but you can easily get it around $3.50. So let's try with the application. So this is the shade. It is absolutely beautiful shade. It's an everyday go-to red shade. So this is how it looks. This is the color after settling in. I absolutely love this shade for everyday go-to perfect color. Also, people do think that a lot of matte lipsticks are very dehydrating, but this is not one of them. It doesn't make your lips go dry. It doesn't make you feel chapped. Uh, this is a good buy under budget. This is 350 lipstick and it is almost giving you everything that a costly one would. And even the packaging, if you see, is completely good packaging. I also love it. So I do not think anything can go wrong in 350. Perfectly good product. So the next one we are trying is from Root Cosmetics. This is the bullet lipstick and this is again a mauve color. The shade is Wayne. This is for 295, which is just very much in budget because sometimes you do get a discount. Otherwise the retail is 295 and you can easily get it around 230 240, and this is a good brand. So this is almost finished. So I do use this one also a lot. So let's go with the application. So So this is the shade. Obviously both the mauves that I've shown you are different. That was on a very deep end. This is again very beautiful mauve but not that deep of color, who do not like that deep colors. Otherwise this is very pigmented. This doesn't again make your lips go bad. This is very glossy, perfect shade for a regular everyday outgoing person. Again, love this shade. Nothing could go wrong with this one. And I really love this and I would buy again of this after this one is finished. The next one we are going to try is by Lakme Forever Matte. This retails for around 400 but you can easily get under 250. At this point I checked, it's 215 rupees, so absolutely good. And it also says it is 16 hours long. So let's see. Let's try and with the application. So it's a very light brown. It doesn't feel like you have applied anything on your lips. So this is one very good option for an everyday because you know Lakme knows how to do it right. Okay, so this is how the shade set in. It's very hydrating. It doesn't feel heavy on your lips like matte lipstick does. It is very light and also they claim that this one goes for almost 16 hours. I don't know about 16 hours but it does go for a long time. So for a lipstick that is around 215 rupees, I think Lakme absolutely did it good. You won't even believe where my last lipstick belongs from. So the last one is from Zudio. So I am a crazy fan of Zudio. I really like their clothes and everything, but I did give their lipsticks also a try sometimes. So this is the one that I like, and the color is Dramatic by Zudio. And now I do not remember the exact price, but I'm pretty sure it is under 200, not even like 300 or so. It's under 200. And best thing is that it has a lip gloss along with it as well. So let's go on with the application. So this is how we open the lipstick part. Let's go. So this is the shade by Zudio, and now it doesn't feel heavy. It's actually very hydrating. Uh, it's a matte lipstick. It goes for hours. It doesn't come off that easily. It's a very good product. A very good one for every day. Even this matte lipstick doesn't feel dry. It dried up, and this is the final matte application. But you do not feel heavy on your lips. You feel completely hydrated, and that is the best part of the lipstick at this rate. I don't know how Zudio does it. Why is Zudio getting best at everything? I do not know, but I like that brand. So let's try my lip gloss as well. And I'm sorry, I did put the color wand inside it, so that is red now. But let's give lip gloss a try. So lip gloss, lip gloss. Let's give it a try. So I just applied gloss and I feel party ready. This again gloss is non-sticky, it's completely good. You can apply it on a daily basis and nothing could go wrong. Look, I absolutely love this shade. Again, all the lip shades that I have shown you are my go-to shades. These are the shades I use on a regular basis and I absolutely love each of them. See, all my favorite go-to lipsticks which are completely under budget, all are under 350, and I showed you all the perfect shades for day to day for all the people my shade, and they can just rock all these colors. I'm pretty sure you'll rock all these colors. Do give it a try. I think it's not necessary to always go for a higher brand lipstick. Obviously there are a lot of them, but for beginners who just want to give a new shade a try, you should always give it a try. And especially brands like Swiss Beauty, Mars, Lakme, they have some of their lipsticks which are completely in budget. For somebody who do not spend a lot of money on lipsticks, these are the ones that should be in your cupboard. I really hope you really like this video. I think these are my best buys under budget. If you really like the content, please hit subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. Do like, comment and subscribe again if you like this content. I will again come up with few budget finds which are go-to for every day. So, bye.